Hello students, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. This video is about numerical on concentration cell. Here our focus is on concentration cell of hydrogen electrode. This is the cell representation of hydrogen electrode in which a platinum wire surrounded by hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure is placed in H plus ion solution whose concentration is C1, which acts as anode. Another platinum wire surrounded by hydrogen gas at a pressure of 1 atmosphere is placed in a solution of H plus ions whose concentration is C2, which acts as cathode. So concentration of H plus ions is C1 in anode and concentration of H plus ion is C2 in cathode. The reaction takes place at anode is oxidation. So hydrogen gas gets oxidized into H plus ions by losing 2 moles of electrons. And the reaction takes place at cathode is reduction. Here the H plus ions gets reduced into hydrogen gas by accepting 2 moles of electrons. So overall cell reaction is 2H plus whose concentration is C2 converts into 2H plus whose concentration is C1. And reaction quotient of this cell reaction QC is equal to C1 square by C2 square. H plus concentration which is equal to C1 whole square by H plus concentration which is equal to C2 whole square. And to find out EMF of this cell, we will use Nernst equation, which is E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N into log QC, where N is 2 and QC is H plus C1 square by H plus C2 square. These two are substituted here, and E naught cell of a concentration cell is 0. So when you substitute that here, this square term will come here because log A power x equal to x log A. So square term will come as a coefficient here, and log C1 by C2 can be written as log C1 minus log C2. And we know that negative logarithm of H plus is equal to pH. That's why instead of this minus log H plus you can write down pH. pH at which H plus concentration is equal to C2. And log H plus is equal to minus pH at which H plus concentration is C1. So this formula is simplified as pH at concentration C2 minus pH at concentration C1 multiplied with minus 0.059 because these two got cancelled here. And when this is multiplied with this negative sign inside the brackets, then you will get E cell is equal to 0.059 into pH at C1 minus pH at C2. C1 is the concentration of H plus ions in anode and C2 is the concentration of H plus ions in cathode. That's why overall formula for EMF of the cell is 0.059 into pH at anode minus pH at cathode. Let us see the question. Calculate EMF of the following cell at 30 degrees Celsius. Anode given is hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure is immersed in H plus ion concentration of 10 power minus 6 molar, and cathode is platinum wire surrounded by hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure is immersed in H plus ion concentration of 10 power minus 4 molar. If H plus concentration is 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6 molar is the H plus ion concentration in anode. So H plus ion concentration in anode is 10 power minus 6, H plus ion concentration in cathode is 10 power minus 4. If you know H plus ion concentration, then you will be able to find out pH. pH is negative logarithm of H plus ion concentration. If you substitute 10 power minus 6 here, pH at anode is equal to 6 and pH at cathode is equal to 4. Negative logarithm of 10 power minus 6 is equal to 6 and negative logarithm of 10 power minus 4 is equal to 4. So pH at anode is equal to 6 and pH at cathode equal to 4. And what is the formula for EMF? 0.059 into pH at anode minus pH at cathode. So if you substitute these two values, E cell equal to 0.059 into 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. When you multiply the 2 with 0.059, you will get 0.118 volts. This is the answer for the question given. Let us see another question. Calculate EMF of the following cell at 30 degrees Celsius, and this is the cell given. Platinum wire surrounded by hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure is placed in NaOH solution of concentration 10 power minus 4 molar. And another platinum wire surrounded by hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure is placed in a solution of H plus ions whose concentration is 10 power minus 5 molar. Here in anode, the electrolyte given is NaOH whose concentration is 10 power minus 4 molar. So OH minus ion concentration is 10 power minus 4 here, and H plus concentration will be how much? 10 power minus 10, because in ionic product in any of the aqueous solution, the product of H plus and OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 14. Here OH minus concentration is 10 power minus 4. So H plus concentration will be how much? 10 power minus 10. So H plus ion concentration in anode is 10 power minus 10, and in cathode H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 5. And what will be the pH in anode? Negative logarithm of 10 power minus 10 is equal to 10, and pH at cathode is negative logarithm of 10 power minus 5, which is equal to 5. And what is the formula for EMF? 0.059 into pH at anode minus pH at cathode for hydrogen electrode. So 0.059 into 10 power 10 minus 5. So 0.059 into 5, which is equal to 0.295 volts. Let us solve another question. Calculate EMF of the following cell at 30 degrees Celsius. Even here also a hydrogen concentration cell is given, electrolyte concentration cell, in which a platinum rod surrounded by hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure is dipped in a solution of acetic acid whose concentration is 10 power minus 2 molar. And another platinum wire surrounded by hydrogen gas at 1 atmosphere pressure is placed in a solution of NaOH whose concentration is 10 power minus 3 molar. So the electrolyte present in anode is acetic acid and electrolyte present in cathode is NaOH. Acetic acid concentration given is 10 power minus 2 molar, and sodium hydroxide concentration given is 10 power minus 3 molar. Acetic acid is a weak acid. Weak acid concentration is given. We need pH. To find out EMF of the cell, we need pH of anode. To find out pH of a weak acid, we need acid dissociation constant also. Acid dissociation constant of acetic acid given is pKa. pKa of acetic acid given is 4.74. From Ka you will get pKa. pK value has been given. pK of acetic acid is 4.74. And pH of weak acids can be determined using the formula half of pKa minus log C. When you substitute pKa value here, C value is 10 power minus 2. Then you will get the pH of acetic acid 3.37. And here NaOH is there. It means OH minus concentration is 10 power minus 3. Then what will be the H plus ion concentration? 10 power minus 11. Even though this hydrogen gas is placed in sodium hydroxide, which is a solution of hydroxyl ions, in any solution both OH minus and H plus ions will be there. Even in basic solution H plus ions will be there. OH minus concentration is 10 power minus 3, then H plus concentration should be 10 power minus 11, because the product of H plus concentration and OH minus concentration in an aqueous solution should be equal to 10 power minus 14. So OH minus concentration is 10 power minus 3, that's why H plus concentration should be 10 power minus 11. Then what will be the pH? Negative logarithm of H plus concentration. So negative logarithm of 10 power minus 11 is 11. So pH of that cathode, pH of NaOH solution is 11. So in anode we have acetic acid and in cathode we have sodium hydroxide. pH in anode is already determined, 3.37, and pH in cathode is 11. When you substitute these two in the formula of EMF equal to 0.059 into pH at anode minus pH at cathode, then you will get answer minus 0.45 volts. EMF of the given concentration cell of a hydrogen is minus 0.45 volts, which indicates that the cell reaction takes place in this concentration cell is non-spontaneous, means it is not acting as a galvanic cell.